Okay, so next class is we will model no this 0.10 meter diameter pipe, no, or that is equivalent to 4 inches, no, this one, this vertical member, no, all the way up, no. So its height is 4.5 meter, no, 4.5 meters, no? Rather, from here to here, no. So the length is again, no, 4.5 meters. Diameter is 0.10, no. By the way, the diameter class, type DDI, no, enter, no, then click the circle, then you can have the diameter, no, just match properties, no? So that it will be uniform, no. Okay, so that's DDI, no. If you want the radius, no, DRA, no, enter, select the circle, and then you will get the radius, match properties, click, and then click, enter. Okay. By the way, no, for example here, you want to manipulate the size of the dimensions, no, overall sizing, no, proportion. You select class and then properties, and then you choose here class, no? Manipulate here, no, edit the settings here, no. So fit is 0.70, no. Let's say 0.5. That becomes smaller, no. Go back to 7. You want it 2, it's too big, no? So go back to 0.7 lang, no? Escape, click close. Okay, so insert lang na to, no? Manipulating the sizing, no, of dimensions. Okay, so we're going to make this one class. Okay, so here we copy the top plan, so this one, no. So we go to click this one class, southeast symmetric, no. Then by the way, if your class kana siyang drawings, no, like for example masyag mawala class, no, your drawing disappears, no, let's say just Z, type Z, enter, then you can have you can type A para yang ipakita tanan, no, enter, or you can type Z, enter, then E, extend, no. Okay, so makita gyapon nimo, no. So yang isod sa bata na class, yang isod sa screen, no, ang drawings, no? He will try to fit the drawings within the screen, no? That's why be careful, no, do not make objects that may be placed very far from each other, no, or rather far from the rest, no, because your drawing might be like this one, very small, because yang itry og sud yung tanan. Okay, so careful muna class. Okay, going back here, dire, this one, so ext, no, circle lang na siya, so dali na lang, ext, enter, select that one, and then enter, then 4.5. Okay, so we are making the parts, no. Yeah, later we will assemble, no, or if you want you can already assemble the one, no, pedestal and the pipe, no. So L class, enter, then you make a line, no, connecting the corners, no, as shown, then select the vertical pipe, then CO, then try to find the center point, and then position, no. You can off the ortho mode, or you can type pipe plus, or press, rather you press F8, no. Then position properly, make sure that is the midpoint, no. The icon midpoint will appear, click, then escape, then on, no. Turn on the ortho mode, orbit, type orbit, enter, then try to check, no? Is it, then you can erase, no, the lines, no, or you want it kuan kana siyang later lang, pwede ra sad, no? You erase later, no. Try to check, no, shaded with edges. Okay, then right click, rather type orbit, no, enter. That's it, no? You can also use this one class, no? Here, orbit, no? Okay,